Hey guys, so this is a travel day for a big Las Vegas vlog, a second big vlog on our Planet Mark channel. At the moment we're just chilling at Newcastle Airport. We'll be showing you the things that you can expect if you ever fly or come visit us in the Newcastle Airport. We're flying over to Heathrow, so I'll show you that as well, before landing on the big long ass haul flight to Vegas. Because it's Newcastle, we're actually at Weatherspoons at the moment, like a little Weatherspoonsy thing in the airport. Yeah, I know. And there's a really cool sign. Let me just show you this sign. Perfect start to your holiday. Breakfast and a pint. Until 11 AM. Yeah. That's what you want for going on a long ass flight. Oh yeah. Alright, so basically we're just walking around, just having a quick wander around Newcastle Airport, and well, there's like, as we said before, there's Weatherspoons, Smiths, for some reason another Smiths, what? Baileys. Baileys, there's like, oh, swipe the other camera. There's always like
I love the Christmas Baileys for you, but then an asterisk and it says, but really for us.
It's just like the world duty-free thingy that they have at every UK airport. It's just really standard stuff, not that special in an electronic store.
Cognac.
I was associate that with like a really like cockney very drink, cognac. Yeah.
Really? I think of whiskey and cigars and stuffy boardrooms.
Them as well. Yeah, just really generic. It's a really small airport, isn't it, Laura? Really small.
This stuff is amazing. I've not had that since I worked in Fatland. Belvedere and very good. That's how expensive that vodka is. Like, I always think vodka cheap, but that is like 45 quid.
That's a lot for vodka.
Yeah, for a litre of vodka.
Yeah, it's because you just get, one from Sainsbury's for like a tenner.
Yeah, but it's good vodka.
That's the difference. It's good. It doesn't taste like petrol. So they also have a Boots and a Super Dry. We just got some Lemsip because I'm feeling a little bit ill. Well, just a bit cold. At least a tiny little bit. So we got some capsules. And I also realised that anybody that doesn't live in Britain, you won't get this, but they didn't charge us for a plastic bag, which is an amazing thing because we're now under international law, some kind of international law thingy, because we're at an airport. So I'm happy I didn't have to pay 5p for a bag. The good old days, the days of yore. You didn't have to pay 5p for a plastic bag. You didn't have to worry about plastic bags or packing plastic bags. I hate it so much, this stupid law. Why is my MP not fighting for that? Fighting for my right not to have to buy a stupid plastic bag. Any of our American friends? Look, friends of any of our American friends, fans of the TV show Friends. Yes, British airports have Toblerone. They're awesome, aren't they? Toblerones. We're at the arcade. There is a air hockey table and some Pac-Man win coffee thingy. Prize every time, but you don't know what the prize is. Could be anything. Probably a load of rubbish though. Okay, so we got to London Heathrow and it was fine. It's about like an hour and a half to fly from Newcastle to Heathrow. We're in Terminal 3. It kind of sucks. It's a bit posh. Yeah, there's no fast food or anything, which is kind of what I want. It's fast food. We ended up getting Pret in the end. But anyway, so we're in Harrods.
Oh, look, you've got Paddington Bear.
There we go, Paddington Bear, very British.
Oh, look
probably the most patriotic terminal of them, Terminal 3. The most quintessential British. But anyway, it's a lot bigger than Newcastle Airport, as you probably can imagine, since it's a much more international airport. Much busier. So here. Okay, so this is our room at the Tropicana. Yeah, there's the TV, big old bed, bedside tables. Okay, well, let me explain this. Basically, like fan and like the fridge. Like they didn't actually come. Actually, when we first came into this hotel room, I'm gonna be honest with you, it smelt really badly of ganj, as in weed, as in cannabis, as in marijuana, as in Sweet Mary Jane, as in 226, as in green, as in grass, as in the reefer. I can't think of any other names if you can for just you know, a spliff. Put it down below. But anyway, so yep. But and also the aircon was off. We took forever trying to find it. It's on like on the wall over here. Like and like basically the battery was off. So we had to try and get them to come upstairs again with the maintenance guy, which for a fairly massive hotel, or really probably the biggest hotel I've ever stayed in, it took about half an hour for them to get up here, change the batteries, and with the aircon going again, and the smell of ganj just kind of left. But then again, technically they're not doing anything wrong by smoking ganj, because I think it is legal in, like, medicinal marijuana is legal in the state of Nevada. Again, comment if I'm wrong, if I got them mistaken. We saw a billboard, and I don't know if you should always trust a billboard. But it smelled, it didn't come with a fridge, but we did ask them to give us a fridge and a floor fan, and they gave us the floor fan, because we love the code. We like it, code. And they were happy to do that. That only took about 10 minutes for them to come up. And yeah, so that was about it. We have not actually had the fan on yet, because the aircon seems to be doing a really good job. And yeah, let's have a quick look inside the fridge. Yeah, this is where the magic of editing comes in, because you'll kindly find out that we're not, well, as you probably can tell from all the bags and everything, that we haven't just came in. This is the like the day after, but we couldn't bother to do it the night before. So anyway, for some reason it's scraping along the floor. And in the fridge we have like ice creams. I've to bend over, like, yeah, this tiny little freezer bitty, but the rest is like fine. It's like a fairly good. It's not great. It's not a massive one. What do you want? We're only here for a week. I mean, like, how long? It's not like when we go to Florida, like, you know, we're normally there for like 4 weeks. We're only here for 1 week, so you really can't complain. The TV, not great TV, terrible TV actually. There's not really any good channels like ABC, NBC, Fox News, CNN News, CW, something TBS. It's not great. The Wi-Fi is really good though. Like, I've not had a problem with the Wi-Fi at all. But really, that's it for our room. Apart from, okay, you may be thinking, okay, it's not a fantastic size room. It's big enough for us. Bed is the main thing. When we went, like, if you check out our other vlog, when we went to our first vlog in Florida, the bed was not good at all. It's not good size. They didn't give us a big one. They've given us a big one. It is such a comfortable bed, and it's like enjoyment of the bed. So you get an orgasm by just laying on it. But here we go. This is the best thing about this hotel room that you will get. I'll show you, and it lies in the bathroom. So yeah, so basically just like look at the size. Just remember the size of the room, how small that was. Now look at the size of the bathroom. Room. It's pretty damn big. You may be wondering, Mark, where is the toilet? The toilet is over here. It's just behind the door, which is a bit weird. But look at the shower / bath. Look how big it is. It's just huge. It's the biggest bath I've ever been in. This. I don't know whether it's just because like Americans are a bit larger set fellas than British folk. Not that that's a bad thing, but well, maybe the WHO would disagree with me. But yeah, it's like it's a really nice, it's a really good shower. Good, they've really that's the redeeming quality of the room. The number one thing about this room is the shower. The shower bath is so big. Now, let me see, like I'll try and show you. I'm not gonna get naked, but I will get in the bath for you. Oh my god. Look, I'm going to lay down. I don't know how well this is going to turn out on the camera, but I'm going to lay down in the bath. Here, here's me, laying down in the bath. Lots and lots of room. My camera doesn't have the front thingy, so I don't know how well I can do this. But anyway, the point still remains. This is one massive bath, but for one person, this is such an enjoyable bath, considering that normally baths aren't very comfortable because they are so like small and like really conjammed. It's not, you know, even if you're a large fella, that's why you want the Hilton DoubleTree Tropicana, because you get such a large bath. But still gobsmacked by how big it is. It's just a big fatty bath, big fat bath. But anyway, so I'm going to leave you there. That's the end of our travel day vlog. If you want to go for the rest of our vlogs, then please subscribe to Planet Mark, and there will be plenty more. Although we've only got like a week in Vegas, but there's going to be a series. We're going to do some really cool shopping tomorrow, so that's what we're going to be doing, and so make sure to check that one out. And also we'll be going out in the night doing a bit of gambling, so you definitely want to check that bit out as well. And also we'll be showing you how long it takes to walk from the front door, because that's what people say. It takes ages to walk from the front door to the hotel room. Yeah, that is true, but we'll be showing you exactly how long it takes you. So you know, you can think I might need a Segway or something, but it's a big hotel, so you know, you can't really have a go at the hotel for being big, because it's good. Okay, well I'm gonna go now, so see you next one, guys. Bye 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 bye.